This 2022 K-Z Sportsmen 302 BHK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76,140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new K-Z is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features two slideouts, a white-brown interior, sleeps 10, air conditioning, slideout, TV, skylight, leveling jacks, CO detector, microwave, water heater, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 K-Z Sportsman 302 BHK is 8,680 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.